Curious about the term security blanket? Let's dive into its meaning, use, and origin. Plus, we'll give you 5 simple sentence examples. A security blanket refers to an object that provides comfort and reassurance, especially in stressful situations. It's often used metaphorically. This idiom originated from the Peanuts comic strip by Charles M. Schulz. Linus Van Pelt, a character, always carried a blanket for comfort. The term became widely popular, symbolizing any item or habit that makes someone feel safe and secure. It transcends age and context. People may use a security blanket to cope with anxiety, stress, or uncertainty. It doesn't have to be a physical object. Routines can be security blankets too. Using this idiom in conversation can help describe someone's need for comfort. It paints a vivid picture of emotional dependence. Now let's see how to use security blanket 5 in simple sentences. Example 1. During her first day at work, her coffee mug acted as a security blanket. Example 2. For many children, a favorite stuffed animal is their security blanket. Example 3. In times of stress, he turns to exercise as his security blanket. Example 4. Her daily journal became a security blanket during difficult times. Example 5. As a security blanket, he always carried a photo of his family in his wallet. Understanding the concept of a security blanket can enrich your vocabulary. It's a versatile idiom with a heartfelt meaning. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.